Leading local tonight, continuing coverage on the trial of Nikki Entzel, accused of conspiring to kill her husband, Chad Entzel. Chad was found shot to death inside their rental home in January of 2020. Today, jurors heard some of those who were closest to Chad, including his friends and former wife.
Always had a great time with Chad. Put a smile on your face. I can still see the smile on his face. Sorry. I miss him. He was just such a great person.
That's how Kent Heinley described his friend, Chad Entzel. He also described first meeting Nikki Entzel.
And how was she when you first met her?
Very nice person. Chad was very happy, and we were happy for Chad. He had found somebody that he was happy with.
Heinley described how Chad proposed to Nikki at his wedding reception.
We talked to the musicians, and we were able to give him the microphone, and he got down on one knee and proposed to her at our wedding dance. And it was a great occasion. Not only was me and my wife able to celebrate our wedding, we're also be able to celebrate the start of theirs.
Heinley also spoke about how he assisted his friend in taking out life insurance policies totaling $600,000 with his wife Nikki as beneficiary.
Did they ask about putting a life insurance policy on Nikki's life as well?
So when we were done visiting about Chad, I did ask Nikki if she was interested in purchasing life insurance, and she said she had out another company that already had her covered. So at that time, she was not interested.
The state also called Chad's ex-wife, Susan Entzel, to the stand. Though Nikki told investigators Chad was a heavy drinker who abused her, his former wife testified he drank socially and was never violent in their marriage.
What would happen when the two of you would have disagreements?
He would usually walk away. He didn't want to talk about it or try and find resolution.
On his cross, defense attorney Thomas Glass questioned how well she really knew her former husband.
You really haven't seen him in 5 years, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Married to him for 17.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
People can change in 5 years. Maybe.
I don't believe to that extent.
No further questions, Your Honor.
One of Chad's supervisors also testified that the last time Chad showed up to work was December 30th. On December 31st, he testified Nikki called him out sick. Chad's body was found in their home January 2nd. For KX News, I'm Brooke Williams.
Chad's work colleagues testified that they never had any issues with Chad showing up on time for work. So when they hadn't seen or heard from him in several days, they showed up to his home. They were unable to make contact, so they requested a welfare check and also contacted Nikki, who eventually came to the house that day and placed a call to 911. That's when Chad's body was discovered by first responders.